Ew.
The potatoes are too big. I'll get a berry though.
Oh, you actually did it.
You're okay with that kind of stick, eh? French fry stick?
Oh, look, Daddy, cranberry stuff. Is it good?
Wonderful.
What was it like eating at Ikea with chopsticks?
Oh, it was a wonderful experience because I got to see an expert eat her entire meal with chopsticks, and I got to see a meatball stabbed by someone who got frustrated with eating chopsticks, and I managed to get my potato with my chopsticks. So it was very unique.
Hello.
Are you that exhausted after going to Ikea?
Yeah.
So what was your experience like going to Ikea and eating with chopsticks?
Eating chopsticks?
Was it easier or harder than you thought it would be?
Easier.
And you ate your whole supper with your whole lunch with chopsticks, didn't you?
Yeah.
Even your dessert?
I didn't really have dessert.
The little piece of dessert you did have.
No. What gave you the idea to eat with chopsticks at Ikea?
Well, remember we watched a video on YouTube by someone named Emma who went from Sweden to Tokyo, Japan, and she went and tried eating Ikea meatballs with chopsticks. So I thought it'd be a cool way to reply to her video.
Okay.
Would you do it again?
Yeah, but not with chopsticks. Those things just don't work for me anymore. What was your favorite part of the meal?
What was my favorite part? I'd have to say dessert, because it had chocolate on it.
What was your dessert?
I have no idea what it was called, but it was chocolate and wafer and cream, and it was crunchy, and it was very good.
Not to me.
So would you do that again?
Yeah?
So Kira, how was your experience going to Ikea and eating with chopsticks?
Well, I thought I knew how to eat with chopsticks because before I could, but maybe I'm just getting old or something because I think I forgot. What was the worst part of the meal that you did not enjoy at all?
Oh, that it was just too short. I wish there was more food that we could enjoy and try everything on the menu.
Why didn't you get back in line for food then?
Maybe next time. What was the best part of your meal? Let me see.
Let me see. The meatballs.
And what was the worst part?
Let me see. What was it? Let me think. Was it the cake?
Or the berries?
The berries.
What was the best part of your meal?
Your cake.
My cake. You wish you had that?
Not really.
What was the worst part of the meal?
The worst part was probably the cake I had. It was yuck.
That was even worse than the berries?
Yep.
You weren't too keen on the berries either, were you?
No.
Who ate your berries?
You. you.
Oh, oops, let's delete that part.
So, what are you gonna do next?
Well, what's on my mind at the moment is lamb. So I was thinking we could go for Greek food.
Oh, but there's a lamb on your head.